Surrounding ourselves with people who will challenge and provide feedback on our performance can help keep us focused and on track with our learning. Study groups act as a support network. They can also keep us on the right track by encouraging us to engage in studying when we might not want to. Here are some group studying techniques to make effective study groups. Discussing guidelines and setting clear expectations. Giving group members specific roles. Being honest about our goals and sharing them with other group members. Taking advantage of group members having different academic abilities. Then comes the challenging task of managing study groups. And at the end, doing a meeting check. Tap on them one by one to know about them in detail. Discussing guidelines and setting clear expectations. We should decide when and where the group will meet. Each group member should be well prepared for the meeting, and we should set our goals before or at the beginning of the meeting. Giving group members specific roles. For example, one study group member is responsible for setting meeting times and location, while another decides what subject material will be studied. Other group members might be responsible for creating practice questions or teaching other group members about a difficult concept. Being honest about our goals and sharing them with other group members. There is nothing more saddening than joining a study group in the hopes of performing well, only to find that other group members are more interested in socializing than learning. Be honest about what we hope to get out of the experience. Taking advantage of group members having different academic abilities. Group members performing well in a course can act as peer teachers for those who are not. This is one of the rare examples of a win-win situation. The struggling students benefit from the expertise of stronger group members, while those teaching benefit from the peer teaching effect. Managing study groups. Running an effective study group is not all that different from running a business or a meeting. Here are some techniques to effectively manage a study group. Setting a regular to-do list. Like when and where the meeting will take place. What subject or subjects will be covered during that study group. How long will be spent on those subjects. What is the responsibility of each group member? What types of learning style will be used? Setting start and end times, and stick to them. As we should always remember that as a student, our most valuable thing is time. So we should rather not waste it. Ending with an action in mind. At the end of each group study session, group members should have a clearer idea of what they know and what they don't know. Be aware of hitchhikers. Hitchhikers are group members that do not respect group rules, do not show up for meetings on time, may do poor work, complain about all the work that they must do, and do not accept a positive feedback about their work. Doing a meeting check. Assess the effectiveness of the study group. Ask members what they feel are the strengths of the group and what aspect of the group's activity could be improved. Regularly recalling facts and information. The more we recall or revise our learning, the stronger the information becomes in our long-term memory, and the faster and more accurately we will be able to recall that information in the future. Applying our learning. Coming prepared to a study group meeting that will be focused on practicing problems is extremely important. When solving problems in a group, each group member needs to have a chance to attempt to solve the problem on their own.
If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.